Hey everyone, so the news just keeps on getting crazier. Harmonic bringing in FBI as hackers ignore 1 million bounty for 100 million attack or hack. And what's exactly happening with Terra Luna? Just seeing what exactly is going on, like all the outflows. The news keeps on getting worse. Like, look at all those outflows. Like, a lot of Terra Luna Classic really didn't do good for the market. The Terra Luna was one of the first babies to cause this brutal run. But Bitcoin took the blunt of the blow, and most institutional investors are exiting their investments from the leading crypto digital asset investment products. Saw outflows totaling 423 million last week, the largest since record began by a wide margin. Data also indicated that investments in Cardano, Polkadot, and Tron received inflows less than 1 million last week. So a lot of these are really going out. For example, year-to-date flows for Ethereum are just going down, down, down. A lot of people are exchanging to multi-assets. I'm guessing multi-assets mean actual stable coins, and a lot of people who had in stable coins just crashed everything. This is why Terra Luna is not on the list anymore. But you can obviously see that everything is in red, especially Ethereum and other tokens. And the crypto market is in turmoil. Like, everyone is afraid. And because of Terra Luna, like, it's not even being on the list. But 420 million altcoin outflows. This means 420 million left the markets. Bam, just eradicated like this week. Institutions did that. Big institutions. Of course, everyone is asking everyone to repay their debt, repay my debt, repay this, repay that, right? And that's what really is really important. And what I'm seeing right now is just a lot of people being very, very concerned on what will happen next. Like, where do we go from here? Because it's just not what it used to be, right? It's just not that strong anymore. And what I'm seeing right now is just so many people confused on what will happen. And even these institutions, they don't know what will happen. And data also indicated investors Cardano and so are falling. In addition to Terra USD and Luna crash to $0 has caused a widespread distrust in the crypto sector. Like, institutions are like, we're not going to invest $100 million anymore. Why would we? Terra crashed and it had huge investors, right? Huge investors used the project and daily adding salt to extremely existing wounds. Like, Terra is the one that sank the ship, and now everyone is trying to jump off it. And Terra is the one like that didn't even stay on the ship. It was the first to leave, like the captain, right? What I'm trying to say here is just crashing. And I don't think it's the first company to go insolvent, and it's definitely not going to be the last. But several analysts predicted this is not the right time to enter a crypto space, as it's likely to crash to further. The global economy is murky flooders. Inflation reaching 9%, the highest in 40 years. Inflation rates in the UK have touched 9%. The inflation rates come at wages around the world remain stagnant, and purchasing power has declined. So also predicted a recession is just around the corner, and markets could experience another bloodbath. So we're going to be seeing a recession. Therefore, investors are packing out from pouring their money into the fear of dramatic loss. So people expect, Terra to crash further. Terra has been the one pumping. What's going on? Let you guys decide. Be sure to smash that like button. Peace, everyone.